Hi everyone, I'm going to show you some things about pinning insects today. And we're going to start by looking at this equipment that I'll use. So the equipment that we'll use are insect pins, black enameled size 3 insect pins. I have a pinning board for small, medium, and large insects. Then I have straight pins. I have pieces of vellum for spreading wings and forceps for helping to move the insect. And last I have location labels for each insect. Also, I'll be using the spreading board. The insects I've used have been sitting in this relaxing chamber. I filled it with hot, almost boiling water, and they've been sitting for about an hour in the relaxing chamber. So I'm taking my forceps, and I'm first going to work with this dragonfly and leave the butterflies till later. So first, I'm going to actually pin the dragonfly, and you'll see that an insect has 3 main body parts: the head, the thorax where the legs are connected, and the abdomen. We will use the insect pin through the thorax, and usually we place it in the right side of the thorax. So I'm going to place this right here on the pinning board and carefully pin through the body, and I'm good to go. So now the insect is pinned, and I'm going to transfer this to the spreading board. And press it into the spreading board until the body is in the gutter of the board so that the wings can be flat. Alright, now that I have my dragonfly pinned on the spreading board, I'm going to use a strip of vellum. I'm going to place this down on the wing, and I'm going to stretch the wing with my forceps carefully, and then I can touch it with my hand and put the vellum over the wing. The nice thing about a dragonfly is that the wings are very durable. Other wings are not so durable. So I will take the vellum and I'm going to pin this in with just a normal straight pin. And then I'm going to stretch that wing up so that it's in a good position, and take another straight pin to this side. And I'm going to place one right here in the middle because there's space for it, and the more I can tap down that vellum, the better it will dry. Now I'm going to continue. So now I have pinned and spread 4 insects on the spreading board, and I will let these sit for 48 hours until they're completely dry, and I take the pins out and label them. Now that it's been 48 hours, I'll go ahead and remove these pins and label the insect. To label the dragonfly, I have placed the body a little higher on the pin so that I can still grab it as a handle, and now I have space for a label. So I will bring in my label, which includes the location and date where I collected it. I'll place that on the pinning board, and I put the pin right through the label. So now the insect is labeled, and I can add it to my collection. Ta-da!